Guys, look at Celine.
Oh no.
Celine is like a dead body. It's so tiired. Why you tiired, Celine? Why you tiired?
I'm drunk.
You're drunk? Yeah, Celina really likes to drink Tanduai. She drinks too much. But guys, unfortunately, we're not gonna do any better video. Yeah, we were planning to go discover this place a little bit and show you guys where we live more, but we went to get to the home Wi-Fi. Like what time? 10. We went out 10 and we waited in the Wi-Fi line like 5 hours. Then it took so much time. And the guys will come here tomorrow. They're gonna add us the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And after we came from the Robinson, we came here to receive the mattress and the bed frame. So all of you supporters, guys, thank you so much. Where are you hiding? Thank you so much. Finally, we got ourselves like a crazy bed. Guys, look at this.
The big one.
Let me lay down. I will show you guys how big is the bed. Come on.
Wait lang.
Look at this. I'm 185, you know, but look at this bed. If I will be like this. Damn, that's crazy. Look at this. It's like normal bed on this. It's like normal bed, like on this side. That's how the bed is like normally. Yeah, like this bed frame is 200 centimeters wide, and the mattress is 190. Yeah, and this way the mattress is just 200. It's 2 meters. Damn, that's such a big bed. And guys, it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah. What else? So after we received the mattress and the bed.
Where's the Wi-Fi?
Where's the Wi-Fi?
Where's the Wi-Fi?
The box is here.
Where's the box? Where is it?
Here.
Here's our Wi-Fi here.
Yeah, we just got the box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow they will install it. Yeah. Today we just got the box.
Yeah.
The light dead.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, the light also shut down. And after we went to get the Wi-Fi, received the mattress and the bed, we went to the DJI one store. Mr. DVI, I don't know how to spell that.
I don't know what is that store. I forgot.
Do it yourself. So do it is Mr. Do it yourself. So it's like Damn, what the hell? Whatever. Yeah. Look at this, guys, what I bought. Damn, that's crazy. Like, you know this thing, like there's like a boxer coming inside. So we just glue this thing here. But then just crazy, like look, it's exactly the same color as the door. And also the bed frame. Look at this, guys. Boom. It's just the same color.
Yeah, before we sleep on the floor.
Yeah, but look at the color of this, like, how is that possible? We've been so lucky. Yeah. And what else? Celina, go show them what you bought also.
Oh yeah, let's. Sorry, my mouth is not working, Auntie Red. No, let's surprise, surprise. Welcome to my small kitchen. Okay.
So what did you buy?
I got this one.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I got this one.
What else did you buy?
Organizer.
Then we bought so many stuff. We spent like 8K in the store.
Yeah, we bought lots of stuff.
So, yeah, I bought also myself something. A little bit organizer. You know, where I can put my like GoPro stuff. You know, like, for example, I can keep the mic here. You know, like those are the things what I need mostly. And here are just other like camera stuff and I don't know. Yeah. So very nice. Jolene also like this thing. Sorry about that. Some issue with the SD card. So what did you want to say?
Huh?
What did you want to say?
I said it's still empty, but it look home now.
Oh, you got yourself a nice box also in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Show that. It's a very cute box.
Wait, oi.
What the hell? What the?
Here I got my box where I can put my lipstick.
Yeah, it's with a vacuum.
And we got the towel also.
Ooh la la, damn guys, look at the towel. It's a microfiber towel. Yeah, if you're gonna come to the Philippines, use this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the microfiber
Nice
that one.
towel, nice towel.
That's mine.
It's mine.
That's yours.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what else? Basically, what's tomorrow plan?
Huh?
What are we gonna plan to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna discover our place here. You know, guys, I wanna show you around.
Yeah, we will go knock to our neighbors.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it
knock,
out.
Knock.
What the neighbors are doing here.
Yeah.
And we had do we need to do something important also tomorrow? Oh, we're gonna in the morning we're gonna receive
Yeah, the
internet.
Wi-Fi. They
Oh
will
my
come and
gosh.
install it tomorrow morning.
So we're gonna have a good Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
And we got ourselves 350 megabits per second.
Megabit.
Yeah. And we're gonna pay
Megabit.
2,000 pesos. It's like 40 USD.
Yeah, 2,000.
Yeah, that's
something.
that's very cheap.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, very good, very good. Very good, guys.
So yeah.
So in the morning we'll get the internet. Then on the
After-
daytime we're gonna do meat. Then we didn't even have time to grill today.
Yeah, we just buy in the street
Yeah, in the street.
our food.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna grill meat. What else? Is there anything else we wanna do tomorrow?
Nothing really. That's all.
Yeah.
Internet. We'll go walk around here.
Yeah. We should buy some like those plastic chairs also.
Yeah,
You
we
know?
need one. Yeah.
Yeah. Then we really need the plastic table also. It would be so nice to have that.
Yeah.
So let's buy tomorrow the plastic chair and table outside, so we can grill. Like we can. Yeah, let's buy that. I think the one plastic chair is like 250 pesos. Yeah, in the next to the 7-Eleven. Do you remember?
But even 200 peso is more than 200
It was
peso.
250. I
What
remember
chair?
the plastic chair next to the 7-Eleven.
Yeah, 200 something.
Yeah,
The table.
the
How
table.
much is the
I don't know. I
table?
didn't even saw the table.
The table is a bit more expensive.
Mm.
1,000.
Yeah, guys, sorry about that. Then we were just bed, and I was thinking, then we gotta make some video,
Yeah.
And once again, guys, thank you so much for this nice bed and mattress, and also about the fridge. Them guys, thank you
Yeah, the
so
fridge.
much. You guys have supported us like so much. I really appreciate
Our
that.
new apartment is like a home now.
Yeah, you guys are making our life so
Slowly.
nice. Yeah.
Slowly.
So actually, tell her what we need to buy. What's the last two things? What we need to buy?
A couch.
Couch. No couch. We don't need the couch. We need
The couch.
the closet. We want to buy a closet where she can hang like all the stuff.
Yeah, because that closet is so old already.
Yeah, it's not
But it's
normal
still
to use.
working. We can still use it, but it's
Yeah, of course
we
you can
still
use it,
have
but
so
yeah.
much stuff, so we need a
But the drawer.
the
A drawer,
The
yeah.
strong one. That one is not strong.
That's a drawer, but
Just
what is that thing? You can open it,
Yeah,
Like
just
we want to put like
drawer.
here,
Mm.
like a drawer over there, and here, that thing with the table. So you will have
Yeah,
table
oh
here
yeah.
also, so you can pull stuff out, and maybe a mirror here, so she can keep all this like cosmetics over here, yeah, and creams and everything. And I think that
Yeah.
will be enough. Like
That's our next project.
yeah,
Yeah. next
couch.
project.
I don't know about couch. Let's see. I wanna keep a room here actually, so we can do some exercise also. Yeah, I don't wanna like stuff
You have
it out.
exercise in this side, oh?
Oh yeah, tomorrow I will receive the pull-up bar over here, so I can start doing exercise again. Yeah, I can start doing pull-ups and I will do push-ups and I can work out abs. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Yeah, it's gonna be very nice. Yeah. So that's it. I think that's the video. Guys, I'm very sorry about that. I really had the plan. Like already, I planned out like 2 p.m. Boom, we're gonna go out. We're gonna drink the fruit mix, and then we're gonna come back here. But then we got out like 3 p.m.
Yeah,
and,
3 p.m.
and
almost
the,
4.
Yeah, and the guy just called like, oh, bed, blah blah blah, coming. And then that bed frame was so heavy. Like then we were 4 of us, and we're trying to pull this thing to the stairs. Damn it, I don't know how much does that cost. I think it's like over 100 kilograms. Like guys, you don't believe, like you think you will take the bed frame and come up, but it's made of what?
Wood.
Bamboo. Then that bamboo is so, damn, it's so heavy, it's just crazy.
Wood, oi.
What do you mean wood?
It's wood.
No,
look,
it's bamboo. Damn, it's so heavy. Really, guys, it's so heavy. Like we were 3 or 4 of us. No,
It's
1, 2.
wood.
Wait. Me, these 2 guys. Yeah, it was 4 of us.
Yeah, 4.
Damn, guys, it's so heavy. The bamboo is so like heavy material. It's like an oak. I think it's even 2 times heavier than the oak, but it's not that strong. What are you laughing so much?
Wood, not bamboo. It's the wood. Oh.
Selena, wood is not that heavy. I know bed frame. Like look at this bed frame. It's nothing
Look at
here.
that. That's wood. That's not bamboo.
I don't know. Then why the hell is that so heavy?
Because the bamboo is heavy.
So it is bamboo.
Because if the bamboo will get dry, it's not that heavy anymore.
But it is heavy. Try to. Can you even raise this bed?
This wood. This is not. This is wood.
You cannot even raise the bed.
This wood. This is the bamboo.
Damn.
It's
Selena,
wood though.
Selena,
Guys, see, let's prove what is this. Because he won't believe me, it's a wood. You see this bamboo, this is wood. Guys, it's wood, it's not bamboo. He said it's bamboo, but it's not. It's wood. It's wood. It's wood.
Damn, look at this.
Oh,
Damn.
that's wood.
Guys, look what sound this bed is making
Okay,
already.
okay.
Listen, I'll put this down.
Yeah,
Listen, shut up.
Yeah.
Listen, guys, listen. Look.
That's
Damn,
the wood.
Look, I will try to raise the bed. Damn, look at me. Like, I cannot really raise this. Like, look.
Yeah.
I'm not joking. Look at my muscles. I will try to. That's a heavy bed.
It's a wood. That's a wood. Look at
Yeah.
that. It's a wood. That's
You're
a
wood. This one is wood.
It's a wood.
Wood.
It's not bamboo.
Wood.
It's not bamboo. It's a wood.
You look like a drunk.
It's a wood. I'm drunk.
You look like a drunk person.
It's
Yeah.
a wood.
Yeah, we cannot do the live also because we don't have internet. Damn, the internet is so bad here. Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna do a nice live.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, guys, this video is gonna getting like very long already. And what's the time also? The time is almost 10.
Yeah,
So,
almost
yeah.
10 p.m.
I have to edit, I have to upload them. It's gonna take like 3 hours. So guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah,
And all of this.
The oldest people who gave. My mouth is not working. I need water.
You need water. Where's the water? Here's the water. Come on, wait, drink.
I need fish oil.
Oh yeah, I need fish oil also. Balloon. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. All of you supporters, guys, thank you so much. Them, I love you guys so much from my bottom. I love you guys from deep of my heart. Think what the hell? It's time to go
Mine
to sleep.
also.
Yeah. So dear,
My tongue
so
is
dear.
not working.
Yeah, guys.
My brain, I mean.
I really appreciate you guys sending us your hard-earned money, guys. I really appreciate that. Damn. It's just crazy, honestly.
Yeah, to those people who give support, thank you so much.
Yeah, guys, thank
I
you
don't
so
know,
much.
we forgot the name.
What do you mean you forgot the
Where are
name?
their
I got
name?
the name in the computer.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but you guys, you know.
In our next live, comment your name that you donated. Right? So what's your name?
Selena, why you look so like a drunk?
I'm Trump.
But let me drink also.
Yeah, drink. I need to why. I'm sleepy. I'm so sleepy.
Really?
I'm so sleepy.
Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we're gonna go get the better content. And unfortunately, the last video that we did, I was acting like very crazy. Guys, I'm not like that. I'm just trying to entertain you guys. I'm not like that. I'm just trying to entertain you guys. Guys, I'm not walking around in the city like yelling like "Mine aboon," I just want to get answers.
But "Mine hapon" is not the bad word.
It's not.
It's a good word. It's good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
It's better than not saying good afternoon.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
It's not aggressive.
Well, yeah, but I am a little bit
It's better than to
aggressive.
be tongueless.
Yeah, I will try on next videos to be a little bit softer, you know. But I just wanna, you know, I need this, you know, I need to have this like craziness, this confidence, like you know, Damn, you guys, just imagine like taking camera and just going somewhere, like you don't even know what's behind the corner, you know. I need to have this, like I need to have this like weird energy to go there and just start yelling like, "Maina poon, what's the place of this?" You know, it's so retarded. Yeah. So yeah, I'm learning. I'm learning. I tried to like, I need to like manage myself while I'm into that state. When I'm like walking around with the camera, I need to start, you know, managing. So every day I improve a little bit. It's not easy. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Give us a like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.